Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Google Docs in your browser while signed into one Google account. Click File in the top menu and choose Make a Copy if needed. Then click File again and choose Save to Drive to store the document in Drive. Choose the folder destination and click Move to confirm. Your document now appears in Drive and syncs automatically across devices. Enable offline mode in Drive settings to access docs without internet and sync changes later. Open Google Drive and click New, then choose File Upload to add a document. Select one or multiple files from your device and start the upload process. After uploading, open the three-dot menu in Drive and select Settings to check Upload settings. Check Convert Uploads to Google Docs to enable editing in Drive. Uploaded docx files convert to Google Docs and retain most formatting. Confirm converted files by opening them in Drive and making a quick edit to ensure compatibility. Open the Google Drive app on your phone and tap the plus button to create a new Google Docs file. Choose Google Docs from the menu to make a document directly inside Drive and save it automatically. To share, tap the three dots next to a document and choose Share or Get Link to set viewer or editor permissions. Use Add to Star or change folder color in Drive to organize important files for quick access. Enable file notifications to track edits and collaboration in real time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.